Beast in the back, if y'all ain't peeping that. This your creation? This was my very first car.
87?
That's my year I was born.
Okay.
It was my very first car, and I ain't never seen it different than like how I'm looking at it right now. And you went crazy. You went crazy. I'm 7 Styles TV, bro.
Say again?
I'm 7 Styles TV.
7 Styles TV?
Yeah, I'm from Chicago, but I moved to Milwaukee.
Okay.
So then I just came from Milwaukee to come out here for Stunner. You know, he rocking with the 32 gang.
How you say it? 7 Styles?
Yeah, 7 Styles TV.
Subscribe right now, bro.
Man, I appreciate it, bro. All the love, man. I'm all around content, bro.
Oh, I'm in there, bro.
All right, I appreciate you, brother. You want to do a shout out?
Man, shout out to 7 Styles TV, man.
That's what's up.
Love, appreciate the love, bro.
Much love, brother.
Yeah.
The white boys pulling up crazy. We got Tunchi over there and shit. I'm gonna go say what's up to Tunchi, man.
Check the weather and it's getting real. I'll be outside. I'ma try this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can look me in the eye.
I'm out here, man. Gotta catch this contact. It boots.
I survived, bitches live. Spoiler alert, this nigga died.
How y'all doing? Good, good. What up, Big Boots? How y'all feeling? What's going on? Where the Swervos at? Yeah. Man, we trying to make it happen, you know what I mean? Had to come out here. I see you keeping it clean, man. Man, it doesn't look dirty, though. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, on the E-way. Hell yeah, man, I'm just trying to catch some contact. Trying to grind a little bit. Yeah, I think it's yeah. What up, Toots? I ain't making no hamburgers today, bro.
No, I'll show you. Where the burgers at?
Yeah, I ain't making no burgers today. Congratulations on the truck. I've been watching the fuck out of you, bro. So, you know what I mean? I see when y'all put the step on there.
Yeah.
I've been on that, on all that. You know what I'm saying? Downtown, everything, bro. I've been just trying to keep it up and learn more from you guys. And I don't look, I got 2 cameras. I'm out here, and I got another one. I just got the mic for it. I'm gonna go crazy. But I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all my inspiration, man, on this YouTube shit.
Oh, man, I appreciate you, bro.
Man, look, subscribe to me, bro. 7 Styles.
Yeah, I got you. I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
Word.
We're gonna do vlog on vlog.
They got all these things on YouTube.
I know, man.
I'm about to cut out. I'm about to cut you out. I'm about to cut go ahead.
7 Styles TV, man. Y'all can sit there and look me up, like, subscribe, and share, man. I'm out here with Tunchi. Shout out to Tunchi. Press that like button. I know we got all this copywriting in the back. It ain't our fault. Yeah, go check me out, baby. Blog on blog. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go to work. All right, love, bro. Photo. Yeah, man. Bro, listen, bro. Hey, man, I was trying to catch your name. Remember, I just caught the last video when you and CJ for you to drive the car here.
Yeah, I drove
Every
here.
time I look you up, bro, I cannot get to your YouTube.
I'm gonna show you
bro.
why. You ready? Or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
recording?
Matter of fact, no, I'm gonna take